1P12. Found somewhere quiet now, should be better for the rest of the session. Let's look at your entrance. Too much of an angle there. Remember we talked about trying to keep it at 45. So I think, Matthew, you look either a little bit late or Yora looks a little early, because Matthew should be able to just kind of dive in. Oh, I see what you're doing. You're trying to give this leg to Yora. Had we spoken about that? I was thinking that we would, yeah, I mean that could work, but then you don't need to take a step. Then you would just fly, or you could do what I was suggesting to Nadia on something. What was it? Was it? It was an L where you just dive in, and then we keep it at 45 degrees. I was thinking that's what we would do, is that we would have the one through here at 45 degrees. So Nadia would be here and Yora would be here. Anytime we've got to ask the inside tenor to come in and do this amount of rotation, I don't like it. I think it's really hard for the inside tenor. P12. Cool. And the things we're just keeping going is 12 builds, making sure that we all know where we're going to so that we don't end up with that fan shape. And that means that Otto should stop there, yeah, because there's the long axis between these guys. Otto should stop there, no more, and then Matthew should step onto there. There you go, nice. There's the picture. Pretty nice job on the both pairs there. Cool. It looks like Otto, you don't need to. You can see. Sorry, let me put that in a different way. You can be following Yora through more. So Nadia should be getting her hips going down the line right now. A little late. Ideally, the front pair is ahead. Sorry, excuse me, guys. Yeah, it just I know we have the back pair going through first, but I think we got just too much of a delay on this one. Let me check the other B slot ones. I'm just trying to see if we can tighten up that picture between Otto and Yora. Okay, 12 build, superb. That's exactly the build we're looking for. There's almost no move there from Nadia. I like that. Just the tiniest move. In fact, if you look at there, it's just the center point. The upper body rotates in 45 degrees. That's it, guys. And that makes for a really nice start shape onto the 12. Struggling a bit with the ones. Wonder if it's the, I think could be to do with the build of the 1 from the 12, because point has a really big move in and almost wants to be able to just keep going. If the point has to come in and then stop, you almost want to flow through a little bit to that, where Otto, you cruising in, the grips are picked up by Nadia here. Otto has, Yora has those grips on Matthew, and then as Matthew picks that up, Otto can just keep going. That would help. So maybe that's what it is, and maybe that's what I'm seeing on these ones. It's a fact of the build. Yeah, too big, Otto. Remember I just gave that real good thumbs up to Nadia on the 12 build. Do much less, just no more than that. Good, Nadia. Right, on the 12s. Try and keep that space minimal. That's looking good there. Looks like there could be some tension building up. First decent one. Let's have a look why. So it's more of a flow. Yeah, there it is. So now Otto, he kind of flows in. Look, we know he's the last person. So as that grip gets picked up, he carries on moving. Perfect. It's super easy for Nadia then to work the timing. Get in there. Also from the B slot as well. Let's check. Nadia comes through. Yeah, a lot more of a flow. And it's basically we're getting to that reverse 21 picture. We're trying to make that happen. Nice. Better in the B slot than at the beginning, guys.